Watch this. A messy downloads folder with hundreds of random files. One spoken request, and 30 seconds later, it is sorted into clean, labeled project folders on its own. No dragging, no renaming by hand. This is Perplexity's personal computer, an AI agent that can act directly on your own machine. And normally, the feature it is built on costs $200 a month. Today, I am showing you the actual legitimate way to get access to it without paying that price. Before we go further, tap like on this video and drop a comment telling me what task you would hand this thing first. It helps this video reach more people who are still doing that task by hand every week. Here's why this actually works and why it is not some trick or workaround. Perplexity Computer normally lives behind the Max plan, the $200 a month tier, because it runs an agent that coordinates almost 20 different AI models in the cloud to complete entire workflows. But a second version of this feature, called Personal Computer, works directly on your own Mac instead of purely in the cloud. And Perplexity quietly changed the requirement for it. It no longer demands the full Max plan. The regular Pro plan now unlocks it too. That matters because Pro is dramatically cheaper than Max, and Pro itself has several completely legitimate free paths, which means the actual cost of reaching this agent can realistically be zero. I only share methods that I test myself, so let's actually walk through how to get there. The first step is getting Perplexity Pro itself for free, and there are a few real routes worth checking depending on your situation. If you work for a government agency, a verified official email address unlocks a full year of Pro automatically with no code needed. If you're a student, Perplexity offers a free trial month tied to your school email, which is enough time to fully test everything we are covering today. Perplexity has also run rotating partnerships with phone carriers and device makers that bundle in a period of free Pro access, so it is always worth checking your current phone plan or any device you recently purchased to see if that benefit is quietly sitting there unused. Once you have Pro active on your account, you no longer need the Max plan to reach Personal Computer. Now let's get the actual tool running. Head to Perplexity's website and download the Mac app built specifically for Personal Computer. This is a separate app from the regular Perplexity app, so make sure you grab the right one. Install it, sign in with the same account that has your Pro access, and you're in. There's no separate activation step or hidden menu to hunt through. Here's a real example of what this is actually useful for. Say you keep a running to-do list inside the Notes app, half-finished tasks, reminders, things you meant to follow up on. Open Notes, press both Command keys at once to activate Perplexity Computer, and ask it to read that list and act on it. It reads through your notes, works out how to approach each task, and then actually executes across your local files, your email, and your messages and connected apps to get real items done, not just summarize what you already wrote. Here's a second example that shows a different side of it. Say you want to make a decision that depends on comparing something sitting on your computer against current information out on the web, like checking a saved quote against today's actual market prices. You describe that comparison in plain language, and it pulls from both your local files and the open web at the same time, then hands you back an answer that accounts for both instead of you manually digging through each source yourself. Here is the mistake that trips up almost everyone during their first session, so listen closely here. People immediately hand it something involving a saved password, a banking login, or another deeply sensitive piece of information, assuming it works exactly like a private assistant with no risk attached. Treat it the way you would treat a very capable new employee on their first week, useful and fast, but not someone you hand your most sensitive credentials to before you have watched how it actually behaves. Keep truly sensitive logins and financial actions out of its hands until you trust the pattern of what it does. Here is the golden tip, and this is what actually separates someone who plays with this for 5 minutes from someone who gets real use out of it every day. Do not open it and ask a small one-off question. That wastes what makes this different from a regular chatbot. Give it an outcome instead of a task. Describe the end result you actually want and let it work out the individual steps on its own, the same way you would brief a real assistant instead of micromanaging every click. Try this specific trick approach. The next time you open it, instead of asking it to do one small thing, describe an entire messy, multi-step goal you've been putting off, like organizing a cluttered inbox down to only what actually needs a reply, and watch how it breaks that down and works through it on its own. I test new AI deals every week. If a new free method comes out, you'll see it here first. One more thing worth knowing before you dive in. Because this tool works locally on your machine and can read your files, your messages, and your connected apps, everything it does runs inside its own secure sandbox, specifically so a mistake in one task cannot spread into the rest of your system, which is exactly the safeguard that was missing from some of the earlier self-hosted agents that made headlines for going wrong. If getting a $200 tool for nothing sounds like something you want more of, subscribe now, because next video I am testing whether this same trick still works after Perplexity's next update and showing you exactly what to do if they close it.